All right, I'm going to show you how to use the BoYata laptop stand. And you can see right now I've got my iPad Pro on it. And I'm going to go ahead and just take the iPad Pro off for a second. I just want to show you, it has this little bit of rubber that keeps things from skidding. And let's go ahead and just look at this thing, really. Take a look at it. On the bottom of it, it has little rubber doohickeys too, so it won't skid. But what's interesting is it has these compression fittings here that allow you to set this at any height or length that you want, which is pretty cool. But it takes a lot of strength to change it. I'm pushing really hard on it right now. And so you can get it flatter and expand it, you know, depending on what you're going to be using. It's, you know, it's really substantial. When you pick it up and hold it, let me flip this around so you can see the name right here. That's the name. When you pick it up, it's heavy, all right? And, you know, so it's definitely substantial. It's really well made. You can see, I mean, look. So I definitely would recommend this. You know, you put your laptop or your iPad on it. Let me go ahead and grab my laptop right here. Let's bring it over. You set your laptop right like that. And yeah, it works really well. Let's just go ahead. Let's take a look at it here. You can see. I mean, it's really well made. You know, it's one of those, you know, sometimes I get stuff in the mail from these companies and it's just junk. But this, I have to say, is one nice piece of equipment. I'm going to probably use it every day because I'm going to keep either my laptop or my iPad on my workstation. So here it is, you know, sitting in my workstation. You know, if I was going to use my laptop, I keep the pitch on it a little bit less steep than I would for my iPad. You know, so I would be working like this. And then I can go from here to here. You know, here's where I keep my iPhone. Here's where I keep my laptop. Now, if I was going to do the iPad, then I would probably turn it up a little bit more. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it up a little bit higher like this, right? And then, you know, I change the pitch here. Then I can just put my iPad on there like that. And then I have this keyboard that works with that iPad. And then I keep my laptop here. So this is basically my workstation here. I've got my laptop, my iPad, and then my Mac supercomputer, and I got my little phone there. So I got everything I need. You know what I mean? Whoops, I gotta go like that. And I got it all right here. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my others. This is an excellent product.